Hello everyone, welcome in the session of Expansion of Functions Part 2. This is Swati Nikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. At the end of this session, student can able to solve examples by using method of substitution. Now let us see examples with the help of methods of substitution. Example number 1. Expand tan inverse of bracket numerator square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole divided by x. Solution. Now we are going to use a trigonometric identity, so that let us use a substitution x equal to tan theta. Therefore, the square root term square root of 1 plus x square becomes under root of 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to under root of sec square theta, that is sec theta. So, with this substitution, tan inverse of bracket under root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole divided by x takes the form tan inverse of bracket sec theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta, which is equal to tan inverse of, make a big bracket, numerator for sec theta 1 upon cos theta minus 1 whole divided by, for tan theta sin theta upon cos theta, that is equal to tan inverse of, in bracket, simplify the numerator, take LCM, it is 1 minus cos theta whole divided by cos theta, and in denominator sin theta whole divided by cos theta. So, we have cancelled out the denominator cos theta. I have not written over here, but we have cancelled out from both the denominators, which is equal to tan inverse of, make a big bracket, use the identity 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 whole divided by, denominator we will write down sin theta as 2 times sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now here inside the bracket 1 sin theta get cancelled and 2 also get cancelled, so that we will get it is equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Now the expression is tan inverse of tan theta by 2, which is equal to theta by 2 simply. Now resubstitute the value of theta as tan inverse of x, and hence we will get the representation as half times tan inverse of x. But we know that the representation of tan inverse of x in the expanded series form is x minus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 minus x raised to 7 by 7 plus dash dash dash. Therefore, tan inverse of, make a big bracket, square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole divided by x is equal to half times, make a big bracket, and write down the series we have written over here for tan inverse of x, which is x minus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 minus x raised to 7 by 7 plus and so on. Let us see one more example of method of substitution. Example number 2. Expand sin hyperbolic inverse of bracket 3x plus 4x cube. Again, we will use the result from trigonometry, and for that let us put a substitution for x as sin hyperbolic theta, so that 3x plus 4x cube becomes 3 sin hyperbolic theta plus 4 sin hyperbolic cube theta, which is simply sin hyperbolic 3 theta. Now, sin hyperbolic inverse inside the bracket 3x plus 4x cube is equal to sin hyperbolic inverse inside the bracket sin hyperbolic 3 theta, so that we will get this as simply 3 theta. Again, resubstitute the value of theta as sin hyperbolic inverse x, and hence it is equal to 3 sin hyperbolic inverse x. Now, to obtain the expansion of sin hyperbolic inverse x, let us suppose that y is equal to sin hyperbolic inverse x, right? So, before we proceed further, Friends, help me doing this derivative. So please pause your video and get this expression. If y is equal to sine hyperbolic x, which is represented as log of bracket x plus under root of x square plus 1, then find dy by dx. I hope you have finished it, and so it comes out to be, differentiating both the sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of log of any bracket is 1 upon bracket, that is x plus under root of x square plus 1, into, by using composite rule, make a big bracket, and now let us have derivative of the bracket. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of under root term is 1 upon 2 under root x square plus 1 into derivative of x square is 2x. Again try to simplify is, from this second bracket let us take LCM and the first bracket as it is. So second bracket turns to be numerator under root of x square plus 1 plus x whole divided by under root of x square plus 1. Now look at the numerator term and this term. The two terms are exactly same, they cancel each other, and we left only with 1 upon square root of x square plus 1. This represent derivative of sine hyperbolic inverse of x. Remember this one. So that we have dy by dx to be 1 upon under root of 1 plus x square, which is 1 plus x square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. Again by using binomial theorem. So now when y is equal to sine hyperbolic inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to bracket 1 plus x square whole raised to minus half. By using binomial theorem, we will get the expansion of dy by dx as 1 plus minus half into x square plus minus half into bracket minus half minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square whole square plus numerator minus half into bracket minus half minus 1 into bracket minus half minus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial into x square whole cube plus dash dash dash. Therefore, after simplification, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus half into x square plus 1 into 3 upon 2 into 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1 into 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 4 into 6 into x raised to 6 plus and so on. So, sine hyperbolic inverse x in the expanded form is x minus x cube by 6 plus 3 into x raised to 5 by 40 minus dash dash dash. Therefore, sine hyperbolic inverse of bracket 3x plus 4x cube is reduced to 3 into sine hyperbolic inverse x is equal to 3 into value of sine hyperbolic inverse x, just now we have seen, bracket x minus x cube by 6 plus and so on. Let us see the last example, example number 3. Expand sec inverse of bracket 1 upon 2x square. Solution, put x equal to sine theta. Therefore, 1 minus 2x square is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Therefore, sec inverse of bracket 1 upon 1 minus 2x square is equal to sec inverse of bracket 1 upon cos 2 theta, which is sec inverse of sec 2 theta, that is equal to 2 theta. Resubstitute value of theta as sine inverse of x. Hence, this goes to 2 into sine inverse of x. But we know that the expression for sine inverse of x in the series form is x plus x cube by 6 plus 3 by 40 into x raised to 5 plus and so on. And hence, the representation for sec inverse of bracket 1 upon 1 minus 2x square is equal to 2 into sine inverse of x is equal to 2 into bracket x plus x cube by 6 plus 3 by 40 into x raised to 5 plus and so on. To create this video, I have referred a text of Applied Mathematics by N.P. Bali, Ashok Saxena and S.N. Iyengar. Thank you so much for watching this video.